In this video, I've got an awesome remote job for you, perfect for entry-level or those with minimal experience. It's a customer support representative role at FedEx Dataworks, and you can work from anywhere in the US. The pay is solid, ranging from $41,000 to $61,000 a year, plus they offer amazing benefits like health insurance and tuition reimbursement. No heavy experience required, just good communication skills and some familiarity with Salesforce or digital tools. I'll also walk you through the application process, so make sure to stay tuned and hit the link in the description to apply. The position is titled Customer Support Representative at FedEx Dataworks, a professional subsidiary of FedEx, focusing on digital solutions. FedEx Dataworks offers various software-as-a-service (SaaS) products aimed at enhancing logistics and data-driven services. FedEx is a global courier delivery services company, known for its size and vast operations. The Dataworks branch emphasizes digital innovation, customer experience, and optimizing supply chains, making this role aligned with their tech-focused mission. This is a full-time remote position. The job offers flexibility by being domiciled anywhere within the United States, which is a significant perk, particularly for those who prefer remote work. Although the role requires 1 year of work experience, it could still be considered entry-level due to the minimal experience required. However, the necessity of certain skills like proficiency in Salesforce, Microsoft Office, and digital platforms implies it may suit someone who has some previous exposure to customer service in tech environments. The position of Customer Support Representative at FedEx Dataworks is a full-time, remote role. FedEx Dataworks, a subsidiary of FedEx, focuses on digital innovation and data-driven solutions. The company seeks a candidate with strong customer service skills, preferably in a startup or tech environment, who can handle inquiries through email, chat, and phone support. The job offers a competitive salary range between $41,082 and $61,622 per year. This translates to daily earnings of approximately $112 to $169, weekly earnings of $789 to $1,185, and monthly earnings of $3,423 to $5,135, depending on experience. The salary compares favorably to similar roles in the industry, especially considering the additional benefits offered, such as health insurance, retirement plans, and tuition reimbursement. This remote role is suitable for candidates with basic experience in customer support and familiarity with digital platforms or SaaS products. This job offers comprehensive benefits, which include health, vision, and dental insurance, a retirement plan, likely a 401k or equivalent, and tuition reimbursement. These benefits are highly competitive, especially the inclusion of tuition reimbursement, which can be an attractive option for employees looking to advance their education while working. The health benefits also add significant value, enhancing the total compensation package. Key skills mentioned in the job description include customer service experience, especially in a startup or technology environment, preferred but not required, experience with digital platforms and SaaS products, proficiency in Salesforce or similar customer service tools, strong written and verbal communication skills, proactive problem-solving abilities, and attention to detail and time management. While the job has some technical requirements like experience with SaaS and Salesforce, these are often skills that can be learned on the job, especially for someone with strong communication skills. This aligns the job with entry-level expectations, particularly for applicants with some prior experience in customer service or tech environments. Here are some recommended keywords to optimize a job application for applicant tracking systems: ATS customer support, SaaS, Salesforce, digital platforms, technical troubleshooting, communication skills, customer experience, problem solving, Microsoft Office, inbound/outbound calls, and remote work. Using these keywords in a resume or cover letter will help align the application with the job description and increase the chances of passing through ATS filters. Prospective applicants should emphasize the following responsibilities during interviews or in their applications: white glove service, highlight any experience or capability to provide concierge-style support; handling inquiries through multiple channels, focus on experience with email, chat, and phone support, showcasing versatility; proactivity in problem-solving, Applicants should highlight how they've previously identified customer issues, offered solutions, and improved customer experiences, and SaaS products. Experience with SaaS or similar digital products should be emphasized to align with the technical nature of the role. These areas show that the applicant is prepared to manage multiple aspects of customer service, from technical support to offering insights on customer trends. The application process is straightforward, requiring applicants to upload a resume in either Microsoft Word or PDF format and to complete a job screening questionnaire by a specific deadline. This is clear and well-structured. However, one suggestion would be to allow flexibility for applicants to use other popular formats like Google Docs for their resume. Additionally, offering a brief preview or explanation of what the questionnaire entails could help applicants prepare better. The deadline for applications is 5 p.m. Central Time on September 30th, 2024, which gives applicants a clear time frame. Suggestions: ensure all necessary documents are prepared in advance to avoid last-minute errors. Create a checklist to ensure that both the resume and the questionnaire reflect the skills and experience required. The original link to apply for this job will be included in the video description, so viewers can easily submit their applications. Prepare your resume to reflect key skills like customer service, experience with SaaS, and familiarity with digital tools. Use the keywords provided to optimize for ATS. Highlight any experience with multi-channel communication, email, chat, phone, as this is a critical part of the role. Demonstrate strong communication abilities both in your resume and cover letter, showcasing how you can manage high volumes of customer inquiries effectively. Consider mentioning any prior experience in startup environments or roles involving technical support for digital platforms to stand out. Even if this experience is minimal, it will resonate well with the job's requirements. Overall, this job is a great opportunity for someone looking to advance in customer support, especially in a tech-focused environment. The salary, benefits, and remote flexibility make it an attractive option for a wide range of applicants.